Pelican Cargo Case Toyota Tacoma Saddle Bed Mounting Kit. This Pelican Cargo Case saddle mounting kit is for Toyota Tacoma. Review the instruction manual for specifics regarding saddle case mounting. Install plate clamps loosely to plates on hinged side of case. To install the Pelican Cargo Case in your Tacoma truck bed, remove the end cap on the factory rail and slide 2 nut plate assemblies into the bed rail. Fit both saddle mount assemblies and fasten M8 nuts and washers loosely to allow for final adjustments of the case. Move mount assemblies along rails into the desired location. Measure the distance between the mounts and adjust to match the spacing of the mounting plates on the saddle case. Fully tighten the M8 nuts with a 13mm ratchet tool. Ensure arms are open fully to the 90-degree position. Then, screw in the detent knob to secure the arm's position. Place the saddle case onto the mounts to engage the rear mounting plate slots with the rear mount hooks. Insert both quick release pins through lower arms and case plate clamps. Then, tighten case plate clamp screws. Remove the quick release pins. Feed lanyard through small hole in lower saddle arm and back through itself. Then, thread the pin's keyring onto the other end loop of the lanyard. Reinsert pins. To lock the case to the saddle mount, insert a padlock through the hasp hole of the case clamp to the lower arm hole. When the case is removed, the mount arms can be stowed by unscrewing the detent knob on the mount and swinging the arm up to a vertical position. Thread the knob to secure the mount in a vertical position.